711L always has simple yet effective and overbuilt tools. Meet their extension adapters that accept 1/4" bits and sockets at the same time. This is the new combo kit where the shorter one has a flat profile insert for the Leatherman multi-tools. So you can see the retention ball for the sockets and then just slide the sleeve to transform it into a 1/4" bit holder. For example, this is handy if you want a longer reach and without too many adapters that will increase the slack along the way. I hope you can tell by the sounds alone how tight and precise everything is. The same goes for the Leatherman style one, but it has an extra trick up its sleeve. See those two mini screws on the insert? Well, those are to lock the adapter into place in your multi-tool. Take my Skeletor for example, which has this conveniently placed access hole. Overall, this gives you less wobble and a more secure connection. It goes without saying that these can easily complement any toolkit like mine and then mix and match with anything you want. Like the VH Centrofix, which pairs it perfectly because it feels like everything is made from one piece. So yeah, I highly recommend them.